When we think of the qualities of a warrior, I believe most of us think of warriors as strong, tough-minded, driven, bringing absolute focus to the battlefield. I've got to win. We think of warriors as having this fierce fighting energy to destroy all our enemies. And that kind of energy can be powerful in our lives too, right? Fight, win, destroy everything in my way. Problem is, in our world today, I don't believe that's the most effective approach to life anymore. All we're learning from quantum physics is teaching us that we are interconnected, all of us, in some very real ways. Our lives are entwined. And if you just look at our current world, economically, we've been fighting to win, make money more and more and more. And now we're depleting all of our resources, doing maybe irreparable damage to our planet, our home. Politically, we're striving to flex our muscles, conquer people, and we're creating a world filled with global terrorism. Even personally, we fight to win all of our arguments. We post wonderfully snarky things online, and people are feeling more and more lonely, more than ever before. What we need is a new approach to winning, a new kind of warrior. We need a new kind of warrior for our new world. And that's what our Quantum Warrior Workshop is about. It's about bringing the same toughness, strength, and drive of a warrior, bringing that iron will to our battles in life. But this new kind of warrior fights to create, not to destroy. Just imagine being that kind of a warrior in your life. Imagine being a force of creation throughout your life. Imagine being this force of creation in your relationships, in your family, in your career, with your bank account. This is what we call being a quantum warrior, combining all the warrior energy with all the power and possibilities of our cutting-edge quantum transformation technology. Being an unstoppable force of creation in your life. So how do you combine all this energy, all this power, all these possibilities? You have to come to our quantum workshop to find out. Quantum Warrior. It starts April 25th, and we're already almost 3/4 filled. So sign yourself up. I hope to see you there.